Hello YouTube. Just thought I'd share some of my thoughts about the Zoom H1n as you watch me unbox it and set it up. I bought this unit because I found myself needing a voice recorder as well as a general purpose recorder. I obviously thought about the Zoom H1, but seeing as I had already used it in the past for a long time, I didn't really feel like buying it again. I was hoping for something new. So I looked online, but all the better quality recorders were either bulky or too expensive, at least for my purposes. There's a reason why the Zoom H1 was so popular. Small, compact, and decent audio recording quality without breaking the bank. There are higher quality recorders, but they also come at a cost, and more importantly, size. The one thing I was trying to avoid. And then I found the Sony ICD SX2000, which is packed with features with good audio quality, adjustable mics, and a built-in lithium-ion battery. But I couldn't find it anywhere here in Canada for less than $300. I also couldn't find many reviews on this unit, even though it seems like a worthwhile purchase in places like the US. I mean, they had it on the B&H website and Amazon for around $199. It's about $80 more than the Zoom H1n. I'll leave a link in the bottom there for a video that I found by Hugh Brownstone, who goes a bit more into detail about that unit. Anyways, I decided to buy the Zoom H1n because of that. It is a bit bulkier than its predecessor, but with some improvements. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this unit. I hope they take a lesson from Sony and others for the next version of this and make the mics adjustable, Bluetooth connectivity, and maybe even a lithium-ion battery. Let's just hope it doesn't take them another 8 years to do so. I'm still waiting for them to update the Zoom H6.